Welcome back, health seekers. Get ready to transform your upper body with just 2 simple yet effective exercises. In this video, we'll show you how to strengthen and tone your shoulders and chest muscles, improving your overall posture and reducing the risk of injury. Follow along as we break down the exercises step by step, providing you with tips and modifications to suit your fitness level. Say goodbye to shoulder rolls and hello to a stronger, healthier you. Before we pump into the details, go ahead and smash that like button and share this video with family and friends. If you are not already a Better Health community member, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and join the health seeker movement today. Thank you. When it comes to our shoulders and chests, many of us take them for granted until we start to experience problems. We've all been there, waking up with a stiff neck, feeling tightness in our shoulders, or struggling to lift our arms overhead without wincing in pain. These issues can be debilitating and, if left unchecked, can lead to chronic pain, injury, or even long-term damage. One of the main reasons we experience shoulder and chest pain is because our modern lifestyles often involve sitting for long periods, whether it's at a desk, in front of a computer, or lounging on the couch. This can lead to muscle imbalances, where some muscles become overactive and others become underactive, causing tension and strain. And if we're not careful, this tension can spread to other areas of our body, causing even more problems. Another factor that contributes to shoulder and chest issues is poor posture. When we slouch or hunch over, we put unnecessary strain on our shoulders and chest, causing our muscles to work harder than they need to. This can lead to fatigue, strain, and eventually, pain. So, how can we combat these common issues and promote healthier shoulders and chests? That's what we want to share with you today. The first exercise is called the Scapular Squeeze. This exercise targets the muscles between your shoulder blades, helping to improve your posture, reduce tension, and increase mobility. To do the Scapular Squeeze, start by sitting or standing with your arms at your sides. Then, squeeze your shoulder blades together and hold for a count of 5. Release, and repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. The second exercise is called the chest opener. This exercise targets the muscles in your chest, helping to improve flexibility, reduce tension, and increase range of motion. To do the chest opener, start by standing with your hands on the door frame or something sturdy at shoulder height. Lean forward, stretching your chest and shoulders, hold for a count of 30 seconds and change sides. When it comes to these exercises, proper form is key. Make sure to engage your core, keep your shoulders down, and avoid arching your back. With consistent practice, you can start to see improvements in your shoulder and chest health, and even reduce your risk of injury. One of the best things about these exercises is that they can be done anywhere, at any time. Whether you're at the gym, at home, or even on the go, you can fit them into your daily routine and start seeing results. Maintaining shoulder and chest health is so important, and it's not just about avoiding pain and injury. It's about improving our overall quality of life. When we take care of our bodies, we're able to live life to the fullest without restrictions or limitations. Thanks for watching. We love to hear about your experiences with these exercises in the comments below. If you're looking for more fitness tips and exercises, be sure to check out our next video and we'll see you next time.